India of my dreams. Good morning, teachers, chief guests, and my fellow students. I'm Amin from class 10B. Today, I'm going to talk about the India of my dreams. India is the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. These words by Mark Twain perfectly depict the rich cultural heritage, values, and traditions of our nation. There is a harmony in its chaos, which forms a beautiful mosaic like no other country in the world. In the past couple of centuries, our country has gone from being one of the greatest nations of the world to a nation engulfed in poverty and illiteracy. However, I do believe that India's former glory can be restored. I, therefore, have a vision of an ideal India, where the country would redeem its stature as the most prominent nation in the world. It would no longer be bound by the chains of corruption and illiteracy. I wish that each and every citizen would be treated equally, that is, without any distinction of the basis of gender, class, caste, or religion. The people would live in harmony and would actively perform their duties towards the nation. India has the potential to reform itself, and I dream that one day it will pave the way for the world to create a healthy balance between development, humanity, and environment. The India of my dreams would heal the world from its present situation of over-consumerism and materialism. I would like to end by saying that the moment we learn from our rich past and adapt it to the modern times, we would not only become a strong country, but also an iconic nation. Thank you all for your time, and I hope that if we work together, we can definitely build the India of my dreams.